Hey guys, today we are going to be making frozen blueberry yogurt bites.
Try new things with Marianne. Try new things with Marianne. Try new things.
So this is a really easy, should be really fast, we will see, snack, and just something healthy to try. I've got Chobani zero sugar strawberry yogurt. You can make it with any kind of yogurt you want. I'm doing the zero sugar because I'm watching my sugar. But you can do any kind of flavors you want, vanilla, mango, peach, whatever kind of yogurt you want, with or without sugar. It does have 13 grams of protein per serving, which is 3/4 of a cup. The recipe that I'm doing is I went with 1 cup of strawberry yogurt, and then I rinsed and dried the blueberries. And I'm just going to have fun with this. You can do it whatever way you want. You can do it individually. And just kind of like put it in there. Try it like that. Or you could take a bunch of blueberries if you wanted and do like a big ball of them. However you want. I'm choosing to do them individually. But yeah, however you would like. You could have fun. You could, if you wanted to, blend it up and make like a bark with this. I'm curious how that one would taste. I might do that one later, but yeah, I'm just trying to look for healthy alternatives, healthy snacks, and when I'm done with this, I'm not gonna make you all watch me do all these blueberries, but when I'm done with this, you freeze them for 1 to 2 hours, and then that's it. I'll let you know how they taste. You can, if you want, I just got the yogurt in here, but you could do 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey if you would like to sweeten that up. I'm choosing not to, but if I wasn't watching my sugar, I definitely would. But that's it.
Did you want to show the end product later at the end? Or?
Yeah, I am. Should I do one where should I do one with like a few, too?
You want me to stop this right now? Okay.
Should I do like a few, like a ball of it?
Like all at once or something?
Yeah, what do you think?
Could.
I don't know how this works, but I'm going to do like a ball of this.
Just
guys,
to go faster or something?
Just to see if I like it. I'm sure I like it individually, but just
to make like a big...
Like a big, a bark of it.
Yeah, bark.
Like,
Gotcha.
I'm going to try it that way. And you could do like, I might even blend some of these up too and do a bark of it that way. So then we can see what way we like this.
Okay.
So I'll show you all the ways. I'll show you the individual yogurt. I'll show you like the individual whole blueberries in the yogurt, the whole blueberries
And like a bark?
in like a bark. And then I'm going to blend some of these up and see in the bark that way too. Okay, that was taking a little bit of time. I'm not the most patient person. So we did some individual whole blueberries. We did 2 of the like bark, like with like a bunch of blueberries together. And then this one we're going to blend up and make some bark. And we will show you how it will be. We'll be back. So I guess I did this right. We will see. Just blended it up, but we will see. This is just the blueberries and strawberries yogurt. Blend it up. I'll just do it like this and try to make a bark out of it. One of the fun things about cooking is it can be fun. You can experiment, show your creativity. You don't have to be perfect. I'm not a perfect person. And you don't have to be either. You don't have to be intimidated when you're cooking. You can have fun with it. I used to be intimidated. And I thought everything had to be perfect. And that really sucks the fun out of life. So, I'm going to continue doing this one. I'm not going to keep making you all watch it. And whenever you all see me next, you will see these done. I will have them in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. And you can see the final product. Okay, so we got that out of the freezer. It's been an hour and a half. So these are the whole blueberries, singles. These are the 2 cluster of blueberries that I did. And then these are obviously the ones that I blended. I'm going to try a whole regular blueberry. And it's kind of weird. It looks white instead of strawberry on here. It's good. Really good, really refreshing, perfect for summer. I really like them out of the freezer. They've been eating a lot of ice cream around here. I can't really have it right now for the sugar, so this will be good to just like have something nice and cold as well. But I really like it that way. I'm going to try the cluster. I'm sure it'll be the same, just as a cluster. I was going to break it in half to share, but it's not really breaking that good.
Yeah.
That's very good. So my husband has stolen one of these before we filmed the single. And he hadn't had that one until just now. Which one of these did you like better? Did you like the individual?
Maybe the clusters a little bit.
The cluster? I think I did too. You get like all the those blueberries at once. It kind of just hits you in the face more.
Yeah.
But those was good. But I think I kind of like the clusters better. Plus, it's like a huge time saver. The only other one left to try is the
blended
the
one.
blended one. So I think this one's gonna be better.
Oh, too.
But we will see.
It's more of a blueberry or something, or
I actually don't like it as good blended.
me either.
I like to taste the blueberries whole. I wouldn't blend them again.
This just tastes like a floating blueberry.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And it's not as sweet.
It's not as sweet.
Weird.
You're not getting the yogurt with the blended. It tastes
Right.
just like a frozen
So don't
blueberry.
recommend the blended one.
Yeah. But I do like the bar.
Yes.
And I would do these again, the singles too, just to pop it in your mouth.
Yeah.
But these two, yes. The blended, no.
Right. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, well that's just a simple, healthy snack. Let me know if you've tried it or if you would try it. And until next time, thank you. Bye.